Okay, I'm going to pick up where I left off. Somehow or another, this session got interrupted, so I'm going to share with you my back to where we were, and then I'm going to let's see. I got to get you to here. No, this is not what I want us to share. Let me share this. Here's my, okay, there we go. This is what I want to share with you. All right, and so I was dealing with this. And I'm actually going to.
It was not particularly warm, but they did. You look at this.
Okay.
The relationship with McDonald's breaks down here. The money looks about the same. Why is it such a bad job? Well, the reason it's such a bad job is that there's somebody shooting at you a lot of the time. Okay? So they're shooting at you. What are the death rates? Okay? We found in our game, and admittedly, this is not really sort of the standard situation. This was a game of time of intense violence, of a lot of gang wars. It's just a game that can be quite successful, but no cost. So the death rate, not just the rate of being arrested and imprisoned and wounded, the death rate in our sample was 7% per person per year. During the game for 4 years, you expect to die with about a 25% likelihood. Okay? That is about the time you get. So this, for comparison purposes, let's think about some other walk of life where you may expect to be victim. Like let's say that you were murdered, and you were convicted of murder and you're sent to death row. Turns out the death rates on death row from all causes including execution, 2% a year. Okay? So it's a lot safer being on death row than it is selling drugs out on the street. Okay? That makes you pause, take some pause. Those of you who believe into the death penalty have an enormous deterrent effect on crime. Now, to give you a sense of just how bad the inner circulatory drugs are, I'm not really talking about, I'm not really focusing on the negative, but really there's another story to tell you this. If you look at the death rates, just of random young black males growing up in the inner city in the United States, the death rate during crash were about 1%. That's extremely high. This is violent death. It's unbelievable. Put it into perspective, if you compare it to the soldiers in Iraq, for instance, right now, fighting the war, 0.5%. So in some very literal way, the young black men who were growing up in this country were living in a war zone, very much in the sense of the way that the soldiers over in Iraq are fighting the war. Okay, so why in the world, you might ask, would anybody be willing to stand out on a street corner selling drugs for $3.50 an hour with a 25% chance of dying over the next 4 years? Why would they do that? And I think there are a couple answers. I think the first one is that they got fooled by history. It used to be the gang was a rite of passage. But the young people controlled the gang, but as you got older, you dropped out of the gang. So what happened was the people who happened to be in the right place at the right time, people who happened to be in the gang in the mid to late 80s, became very, very wealthy. And so the logical thing to think was that, well, the next generation, so they're going to age out of the everybody else here, the next generation is going to take over as well. Okay? So there's certain similarities I think to the like the first set of people in Silicon Valley get very, very rich. And all my friends said, maybe I should go do that too. And they were willing to look very cheap for stock options that never came. And in some sense, that's what happened exactly to the set of people we were looking at, is that they were willing to start at the bottom. Just like, say, a lawyer at a law firm, a first-year lawyer is willing to start at the bottom, work 80-hour weeks for not that much money, because they think they're going to be partners. But what happened was the rules changed, and they never got to be partners. Indeed, the same people who were running all of the major gangs in the late 1980s are still running the major gangs in Chicago today. They never passed on any of the wealth. So everybody got stuck with that $3.50 an hour job and turned out to be a disaster. The other thing that the gang was very, very good at was marketing and trickery. And so, for instance, one thing the gang would do is, the gang leaders would have big entourage. They'd got fancy cars and have fancy jewelry. So what Severo eventually realized as he hung out with them was that really they didn't own those cars, they just leased them because they couldn't afford to own the fancy cars. And they didn't really have gold jewelry, they had gold plated jewelry. So back to the real business, the fake real. And really, they did all sorts of things to trick the young people that this was a great deal of game was going to be. So for instance, they would give a 14-year-old kid, they'd give them a whole, roll of bills to hold. The 14-year-old kid would say, oh, well, he would say to the friend, hey, look at all the money I got in the gang. It wasn't his money until he spent it. And the kid essentially did an index to the gang or sort of an indentured servant for a while. Okay, so I have a couple minutes. Let me do one more thing. I had thought I'd have time to do, which is to talk about what we learn more generally about economics from the study of the game. Okay? So economists get on technical words. Often our activities fail quite miserably when we go over the data. But actually what's kind of interesting is that in this study, it turned out that some of the economic theories that work not so well in the real economy work very well in the drug economy. Some of the theories are better capitalism. Here's an economic principle. This is one of the basic ideas in labor economics. It's called a compensating differential. It's the idea that basically you increment the wages that the worker requires to measure the difference between performance and task. One which is more pleasant than the other. That's what's called compensating differential. Probably think garbage men might be paid more than people who work in parks. Okay? So in the words of the gang, one of the members of the gang, I think, makes this clear. So it turns out, it turns out in the gang, when there's a war going on, that they actually
Okay, we are back, and I want to, before I dismiss you guys, I want to make sure that I give you the key word. And the key word for this week, hold on a second. The key word for this week, let me stop sharing, is synthetic drug. Synthetic drug. All right, so with that, I'm going to say good night, and you'll be able to get your points by submitting that. So I'm going to end this session.